Disney has owned Hulu for several years now, and now the platform will be getting more merged with its main offering, Disney Plus, in 2026. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. Hulu content has been available on Disney Plus for a while, but now Disney's rolling out an option for connecting a Hulu profile to the Disney Plus app. Once connected, viewers will be able to access their Hulu history, watch lists and recommendations within the Disney Plus software. But there are some catches. For starters, this profile linking is only available to adult subscribers who have an eligible Disney Plus Hulu bundle or Disney Plus Hulu ESPN bundle. The option will roll out to all bundle subscribers later in 2026. In any case, linking a profile should be a one-time activation. Disney does seem interested in converting those viewers who aren't paying up for a Disney Plus subscription. That audience can log into the Disney Plus app with the same MyDisney login they use for Hulu, where they'll be able to watch a small sampling of Disney Plus and ESPN content to tempt them into upgrading to a bundle, as well as seeing Hulu's library. The company is also planning to test out some Hulu features within its own name app, such as a live guide for browsing currently airing programs. Luckily for those who fear Disney might completely erase Hulu, Disney's just adding Hulu on Disney Plus, and it doesn't mean the Hulu app will be going anywhere. At least not yet. As the blog states, all Hulu subscribers will also continue to have access to the standalone app to stream their favorite Hulu content. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.